Good morning, 9th class student. Myself, Vishakha Srivastav. I am going to teach you English, Unit 1st, page number 3. 1.1. The name is poem Life. Life means Jeevan, wrote by Charlotte Bronte. Charlotte Bronte was born on 21st April 1816. She was English novelist and the poetess. Her first novel, which was rejected by Professor Six publisher, and the second novel, Jane Eyre, published. The poem Life by Charlotte Bronte is a three stanza from with alternative rhyming scheme. This alternative rhyming scheme holds study throughout the entire poem except the first and third line in reach to dream and rain do not rhyme. The poem was published in year 18 under her pen name. This is a motivating and the obstinate poem which is encourage the reader to take a positive views of life, especially during the periods of hardship and difficulties. Now I explain this poem. Its name is Life. The poet takes a positive view of life. She says that life is not a dark dream, as a sad say. Instead, a little rain in the morning tells us that a pleasant day will follow. That is to say, if we have difficulties in the earlier day, there will be joyous times following it. Sometimes there are clouds of gloomy. Gloomy means some problems, but these are all temporary. If a little rain helps us the roses to blossom, why should we feel unhappy about it? If the problems we take make up for better time ahead, why should we feel grief? The happy hours of our life fly by very quickly and merely. We must enjoy them happily and the thankful as they go by. We must accept it. If at the time death takes away the people we love most, it also does not matter if sorrows seem to be winning our hopes. For hopes will again spiral up with great elasticity. It is a defected even though it had been overcome. The golden wings of hopes are still strong enough to bear us and help us to rise. We must bear our days of difficulties bravely and fearlessly. For the courage to face our problems can succeed wonderfully in helping us to suppress our disappear. Now I shortly explain in हिंदी. दुख दर्द समस्याओं को लेकर बैठना नहीं है, हमेशा आगे बढ़ना है. हमें कभी उम्मीद नहीं छोड़ना है. हमेशा उम्मीद रखो कि जो भी परेशानी हमारे जीवन में आ रही है उससे हम निपट सके, उसे सॉल्व कर सके और अंत में घूम फिर के दुख के बाद सुख की प्राप्ति होगी ही. जिस तरह ऋतुएं आती जाती है, दुख के बाद सुख के बादल आती ही है, मतलब दुख के बादल छट ही जाते हैं. Now explain the shortly appreciation in this poem. The appreciation, generally known as a critical appreciation, is the analyzing and the giving an opinion about a piece of literature. Central idea in this poem. This is a motivating and optimistic poem. The poet say that the bad things of life are transient and the good things unvariable follow them. Hope will rescue us and help us to bear our trials. Even during times of a great adversity, we must be optimistic and have the courage to overcome any mishap or problems. Figure of speech in this poem. What through that at a time step in. The figure of speech is a personification. Death is given the human quality of stepping in. special feature in this poem. The poem makes one feel good. It reminds us that even if there are problems in life, there will be better days ahead that there are always silver lining to all dark clouds. It is a happy and inspiring poem and gives us courage. Favorite lines. Note that the student may choose their own favorite line in this poem when you write the appreciation. Why I don't like this poem? I like the poem because it is encourage me to take a positive views of life. Note that student, when you write the appreciation in this poem and this point why I like this, I don't like this the poem, you must be right always. Yes, I like this poem. Okay. Some question in your textbook. What do the sages say? What does the rain often foretell? What should we do during the joyful times in life? Who does our best refer to? Why are the wings of hope golden? Write the answer in your own sentence. It's your homework.